Tools you'll need for assembly and installation of your reboss awnings. A drill, normal Stanley knife, a ratchet with a 13mm socket, a tube of silicone, clear, a tape measure, a spirit level, a 10mm drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, a rubber mallet, a pliers, and a pencil. You just purchased your reboss awnings. In your box, you'll either get the 6mm multi-wall board or the 3mm solid board. Okay. Then you'll get your 2 brackets. Your instruction sheet, it's got everything that explains to you how to do it. Your 10mm roll bolts and your front and back fixing strips. Firstly, just peel the strip away, on both sides. Alright, the edges I've peeled now is for your front and back fixing strips. For the front and back fixing strips, you'll need to use the thin rubber. You start off at one side, and just run it with your finger on the board. Back on. This one is your back fixing strip. Alright, you start off flush with the side of the board. Just gently tap down with your rubber mallet. You turn it around. The flat part being the top of the awning. And this is your front bar, with the longest part being the top. And then the loose ends on the side, just take a Stanley knife and just trim it flush. In today's installation, we'll be using the 6mm multi-wall board. To get the front and back fixing strips on, you need to pinch with a set of pliers the sides. Right. Then peel away the plastic, not too much, just enough for the strips to come on. Right. Your back fixing strip, flat part is the top. Line it up with the side of the board, gently tap down with the rubber mallet. Turn the board over, peel away the plastic, the front fixing bar, longest part the top. Flush with the side of the board again. Softly tap down with the rubber mallet. Now for the brackets. Turn the board around, but the top is facing you. Peel away the plastic. Just don't peel all the plastic off until the installation is complete. If you be using the 3mm solid board, you'll need to put the thick rubber on for the brackets. But in this case, the multi-wall doesn't need it. No, that's easy. Just lightly tap down. Make sure that you got the top of the bracket with the top of the board. In the kit you'll get 4 set screws that go into the side of the bracket just to hold everything together. Turn the board around and do exactly the same as that side. And there's your reboss awnings ready for installation. Today we're installing an awning with 4 panels. First panel starts in the middle of the wall. Line it up against the wall on your level line and mark the holes with a pencil. For the top hole, you use the longest roll bolt. Take a small spirit level and just level the bottom of the bracket so that it's not pulling skew. And then the bottom hole of the bracket gets the shorter roll bolt. For the next panel, you assemble it exactly the same way, but you just need to put one bracket on the one side to join onto the one that's already on the wall. When you join in, start with the front strip, push it into the bracket, and slowly guide it in so that the board slides into the bracket. Making sure that it is level, mark the top hole. Long roll bolt. Once your installation is complete, you can just use a bit of clear silicone just to seal against the wall at the back of the awning.